What's going on, apes? Let's talk about why AMC is currently down 9.33%, $5.06 on the day. We are coming to the bottom end range of this bullish pennant. So today and even going into next week are very pivotal. But let's talk about why AMC is falling and what I expect to come from this. Now, without any further ado, the only thing that I ask is that you hit that like button for me, consider subscribing to the channel, and if you want to support the channel and get access to the buy and sell alerts for stocks, options, and crypto all in real time, join a community of about 40 members strong. Check it out, link down below in the description. It pays for itself. But let's get into it, guys. Like I said, they're down 9.25% currently. I do expect a bounce to come here shortly, and we were down about 12% at the lowest point, hitting that $47.70 mark, and then we did get a decent level of support that is right under this bullish pennant zone. So that is why I think we did get the bounce. But as far as why AMC is falling today, it is because Iceberg Research says, and this is a tweet, they said, "We are short AMC, fundamentals are obvious. After 1 month of trading sideways and lots of money lost in call options, the pump seems incredibly shaky." Now, you guys got to know some background about this research firm. They are secretive, they are shady, they essentially try to bankrupt companies, and usually they file actual reports, but in this it just looks like a tweet. Obviously there's no report, but if a report comes out, it could definitely not be a good thing. Now, they are best known for actually bankrupting this company called Noble. And let me just read this to you. It says, Iceberg Research, Noble has been embroiled with Iceberg Research, a previously unknown firm which has released 3 critical reports against the company. Noble's share price has lost as much as 29% in value since the first report from Iceberg Research was published on the blogging service WordPost in mid-February. And then if you do come over to here, this is the actual guy that actually writes these reports. And it does say that in, I believe, 2015, the company lost 99% of its value on liquidating. Last November 5th, this article was posted in 2020. So 2019, November 5th, the stock lost 99% of its stock market value until it was finally liquidated. Now, what is important to know here, they have not filed a actual report. I don't think they will. But if they do, it might not be good, like I said. But I don't think there is room to even do this just because there's nothing fraudulent going on with AMC stock, right? There's, if anything, well, from us, there's obviously fraud and manipulation going on behind the scenes when it does come down to these market makers and that activity that they are doing. So we do know that is going on. So if anything, I do expect some kind of report about that to come out, but they profit by making these reports and shorting the stock. Now, it's very secretive, so it's hard to even tell. I was trying to find how much assets they have under management. I was trying to find some filings, but I can't. So I do think they are a private company. But they do a lot of malicious, malignant things to companies. So now I just want to focus in on the technical analysis a little bit more, and we're going to really want to watch, obviously, this $49 level is being a solid support level. Now, if we do come down to this $47.77 mark, I think we will bounce from that, but I really expect to bounce later into the day. Keep in mind, this is only 12:13 Eastern time when I am filming this, so we do have about 4 hours left in trading. So that is why I do expect a bounce into close, and I do think we'll close over $50 just because you've already seen a little bit of a bounce, and we even went back up to $50.69. That was the highest point. But overall, I do expect a bounce to come here soon. We are under our 50-day moving average and 200-day moving average when you're looking at the 15-minute candlestick charts. That 50-day moving average is at $52.88. 200-day is at $55.59. Now, if we can start to get this bounce and we can actually see the 50-day moving average go above the 200-day moving average, that is a golden cross, and that will be a very good sign to get back into the stock. Now, I don't think there's going to be a prolonged event by any means necessary, but nevertheless, it could have an impact. I want you guys to be fully aware of what is going on. But already for the day, we are seeing 56.5 million for volume. So it's going to be a big volume day, and I do think people are going to step in here and start buying the dip. Now let's take a look actually at the stock O tracker data and take a look at exactly where AMC's option chain does sit, if people are buying these contracts or if they are not, and exactly what I thought was going to happen. Is a lot of people are rolling over these contracts. So a lot of these out the monies for today that expire today, and the 21,000 that are in the money, a lot of people are going to sell these contracts and roll them over to further expiration dates. Now obviously we did have about 20,000 options that went out the money for next Friday, but we did have about 40,000 total go out the money. So that is a gain of about 20,000 contracts for today. So people are still buying options. As far as July 16th, the most important expiration week, just because this is the most likely chance of actually seeing a gamma squeeze, we did see the in the money contracts go down about 20,000, but we've seen the out the monies go up about 25,000 additional. So we did see about 25,000 net gain so far for the day. So this is a good sign right here. You're not seeing a lot of people actually selling out of these contracts. So that is definitely good, guys. That is just what I would keep in mind. I would be watching for this firm to post any reports, but I think the most important thing here is people don't get shooken out of their positions, right? They want you to sell out of your positions. They have a short position on AMC. That is in their best interest. That is their whole incentive to make these reports. So obviously this firm is quite full of shit, if you ask me. They're just full of shit, and I wouldn't pay too much mind to it. Obviously it could have an impact on the stock price, algorithmic trading, but it really comes down to the apes, the 85-90% of apes that actually hold on to their positions. That is what is really important here. But that is why AMC is falling. That is what I expect to bounce back up to $50 by the end of the day today. I do think we'll see a substantial bounce when it does come down to it. Like I said, we were already at about $50.77 at the high point today after we did see the sell-off, and people just rushed in to buy the dip anyways. We've seen a lot of volume right here in this 15 minutes. We've seen about 15.5 million for volume. So that is what I expect. I think AMC will close out, obviously not down 9%, almost 10%. So I do expect a decent bounce here, and that is what I would be looking for going into next week. I do think AMC is going to be very, very strong. Now, like I said, it all comes down to us actually holding our positions. So that is going to wrap up this video. That is why AMC is falling. I'll be back later on tonight. I have some real estate stuff I have to take care of today, but I'll be back later tonight to give you guys the final wrap up, what happened with AMC stock, how I am trading this, and what I expect going into the future, as well as a CCIV video and all the other videos that we cover and stocks that we cover on this channel. So if you guys like the analysis that was provided, information that was provided in this video, hit that like button for me. Consider subscribing to the channel and check out the links down below in the description. There is a link for public. No need to even link a bank account or deposit a single dollar. You'll get up to $70 in your choice of free stock. Doesn't matter what time of the day it is. You get your free stock in about 3 minutes time after you sign up, as well as deposit $100 with Webull. Get 4 free stocks, each of them potentially worth up to $2,400 a piece. They give out great stocks. I just got a free stock share of Snapchat, so check that out if you guys have not already. Like I said, the buy and sell alerts. But with all that being said, you guys let me know in the comment section what you guys are doing for the 4th of July. I hope you enjoy your weekend, but until the next time, I will see you guys later. Peace out.